Here's how I got 70 power washers for $30 each. I'm a member of a group called the Flipping Team. It has a Discord that notifies you when items come in stock or are heavily marked down. Walmart had been selling these for $100 to $120 each, and I got a notification that they were marked down to $30, so I ended up doing 5 orders for a total of 70. A member had posted a link to the item telling everybody that it had been marked down, and so as soon as I saw it, I clicked it and bought as many as I could. If you're interested in joining, there is a link in my bio. It's risk-free for the first month, and I highly recommend it. I've been using it the past 2 years and have made a good amount of money. On Walmart.com, I have tax exempt set up, so I truly paid $30 each. These got delivered to my door, and I'll use UPS to pick them up so I won't even have to leave my house. I've been making about $30 to $35 each, so I'll end up making about $2,100 on this deal, and I expect these to move very quick once spring comes around. Let me know if you have any questions